Hindi nga natuloy ang Star Horse shipping line sa pagbili sa Terra Firma Jeep. Ito ay matapos ngang hindi daw sila nakapag-comply ng requirements ayon kay Commissioner Willie Marshall. Pero may 3 bagong buyers naman daw ang Jeep ayon kay Kume. At ang frontrunner nga daw na gustong bumili ng Terra Firma Jeep ay itong Zamboanga Family Brand Sardines. Matagal na nga daw nilang gustong pumasok sa PBA kaya't willing nga nilang bilhin ang PBA franchise ng Jeep ngayon. Kaya't kilalanin natin ang official and possible complete lineup ng bagong team sa PBA na Zamboanga Master Sardines.
Point guards:
Aljun Melesio, 5'8", 160 pounds, 26 years old, 4 points, 1.5 rebounds, 2 assists, 30% 3-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Tommy Olivario, 5'9", 190 pounds, 25 years old, 2.5 points, 1 rebound, 1.8 assist, 30% 3-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Governor's Cup averages. Mark Nonoy, rookie, 5'9", 155 pounds, 24 years old, 12.5 points, 3 rebounds, 3.5 assists, 0.5 steals, 30% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Roy Sumang, possible PBA comeback dahil player siya sa Zamboanga Sikat sa MPBL. 5'8", 160 pounds, 34 years old, 10.4 points, 2.6 rebounds, 3.3 assists, 1.3 steals, 40% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2025 MPBL 7th season averages.
Shooting guards:
Terrence Romeo, veteran star, 5'11", 180 pounds, 32 years old, 9.5 points, 1.5 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 33% 3-point shooter, 70% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Paulo Hernandez, rookie, 6 feet, 197 pounds, 25 years old, 8.5 points, 2.5 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 35% 3-point shooter, 82% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Stanley Pringle, veteran star, 6'1", 185 pounds, 37 years old, 11.5 points, 3.5 rebounds, 4.5 assists, 1.2 steals, 35% 3-point shooter, 78% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages.
Small forwards:
Brent Paraiso, 6'1", 190 pounds, 26 years old, 6.5 points, 3 rebounds, 1.6 assists, 30% 3-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Didat Hanapi, rookie, 6'2", 188 pounds, 23 years old, 4.2 points, 2 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 25% 3-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. CJ Katapusan, rookie, 6'3", 192 pounds, 26 years old, 5.5 points, 4 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 35% 3-point shooter, 60% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages.
Power forwards:
Kevin Ferrer, 6'5", 200 pounds, 31 years old, 9.5 points, 5 rebounds, 2.5 assists, 0.5 steals, 35% 3-point shooter, 72% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Louis Sangalang, 6'4", 198 pounds, 26 years old, 7.5 points, 5.2 rebounds, 2.2 assists, 0.8 blocks, 50 field goal percentage, 70% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Javi Gomez de Liano, comeback player. Jeep has his PBA rights, 6'3", 193 pounds, 26 years old, 8.5 points, 2.9 rebounds, 0.7 assists, 0.7 steals, 41% three-point shooter, 75% free throw shooter in his 2024-2025 Korean B-League season averages.
Centers.
Aldrich Ramos, 6'6", 190 pounds, 36 years old, 4.5 points, 2.2 rebounds, 1.5 assists, 33% three-point shooter, 80% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Kit Saldivar, 6'6", 220 pounds, 28 years old, 2 points, 1.5 rebounds, 0.5 blocks, 45 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Centers, Ken Mark Carino, 6'9", 203 pounds, 26 years old, 6.2 points, 5.5 rebounds, 1.2 assists, 1.5 blocks, 25% three-point shooter, 65% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Commissioner's Cup averages. Christian Standhardinger, Terra Firma Jeep, has his PBA rights, 6'8", 220 pounds, 35 years old, 15.2 points, 8.4 rebounds, 3 assists, 52 field goal percentage, 50% free throw shooter in his PBA 49 Governor's Cup averages.
James Sena. Gaya ni Roy Sumang, si Sena ay nasa may roster ng Zamboanga sa MPBL. 6'5", 225 pounds, 36 years old, 2.3 points, 3.1 rebounds, 0.9 assists, 0.4 blocks, 20% three-point shooter, 100% free throw shooter in his ongoing 2025 MPBL 7th season averages.
Ito ang official and possible complete lineup ng Zamboanga Master Sardines sa PBA kung sila na ang makakabili ng PBA franchise ng Terra Firma Jeep. Tingnan nyo mga kababos, mabibili na kayo ng Zamboanga Family Brand Sardines ang Terra Firma Jeep. I-comment nyo na po yan sa baba.